Hello and welcome to Symetri's YouTube series Naviate Power and Process Plant 3D Tips and Tricks. My name is Joachim, and in this video I will show you how to use Naviate Snap to support. At the Support Snap section we have two buttons, one for activating the snap and one for cleaning old supports away. When we press the Snap to Support button for the first time, we will be informed that all the supports on the drawing will be exploded to 3D blocks, and that block will be overlaid on top of the original support's position, and a separate layer will be made for them. This makes it possible to snap on an edge of a support and therefore easier to, for example, snap a beam to a support like this. When we are done with our secondary support, beams, etc., we need to clean the 3D model from unwanted support blocks. Press the support button and the drawing will be cleaned from all the exploded supports and the support layer that was made earlier. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe for future Naviate Power and Process tips and tricks videos.